Hello traders, in front of you institutional sell-off on S&P mini future identified by Alpha Fibonacci system months in advance. As intelligent trader, you strategize accordingly, understanding quite well. The next few days will define markets for months to come. Here's Alpha Fibonacci system before the crash, taking you back until 1st of February. Bullish move continues up. We're discussing with my students where price heading to next, as price always moves one step at a time. As intelligent trader understands, in 2023, institutional buy point obeyed. Bullish rally skyrocketed with vengeance. 2024, key level is reached. And this is where sell-off started from. Intelligent investor who trades Alpha Fibonacci system understands how to manage long-term positions accordingly. Absolutely no software on this chart, only proprietary level and proprietary tool. But if you decide to trade software for NinjaTrader 8 as a day trader, use the software prior in European session, as 50% of the value moved to Europe. At least 50% of our students are globally viewing videos 24/7. This is short on S&P mini future, played out on multiple charts, projected on software 3-minute chart. Key short reached Alpha Fibonacci key target and price reversed from this level as expected. Right now price stuck in chop. Right now price stuck in correction, as we discussed with my students pre-market. On retail chart, only pain is present. On retail chart, only bullish correction. So if I convert this chart to 5, to 10, to 15, to any chart you choose to trade, this is a pain, this is a weakness, absolutely no power. The next 2 days will define markets for months to come. That's it. And that's precision of the system in front of you, and all we discussed with my students. So when you are using your limitless brain, you understand extremely well. It's entirely different short at such level versus what played out in European session. When market moving to the downside, it's instant, it's sudden. Let me convert this chart to 1. If you choose to day trade, you operate as a sniper. Alert comes up, you understand it's a single alert. It's not multiple alerts, which means caution please. Extremely aggressive late short. All the details in hundreds of videos you can view 24/7. All the details in live classes as well. That's it. Market in free fall. Next 2 days are critical and will define markets for months to come. So when you're using the system as a day trader, you absolutely can use system as a long-term investor, as we will review next, as multiple instruments selling off. So this is very important level on S&P mini future playing out in front of you live. Intelligent trader understands it's a very limited, very late trading range. RZ means reversal zone. RZ means caution please if you decide to short. This is very important moment. Market oversold. So price skyrocketed instantly. No one is surprised. Very important retail part. So if you're a day trader, you operate as a sniper. You are zoomed in and focused. You understand the importance of this level. An identical level played out on Apple before the rally. No software on this chart, only system, as traders trading this globally on platforms I never even heard of. trader in Saudi Arabia, trader in Dubai, trader in Middle East, in South Africa, trader in Sierra Leone, in Japan, trading this on platforms. Various platforms, insert proprietary tool and apply proprietary strategies. This is key event on Apple, extremely important today. This was key event on Nvidia, where Nvidia skyrocketed from. This is key event where Nvidia crashing from 900% later. The reason trading room is open so you can see instantly why traders in US and 58 countries trading system on all instruments, all time frames, all platforms. Identical reversal as on Apple, as on Nvidia. Identical reversal as played out on Euro. Has anyone seen good news on Euro? Good news in Europe? So how is it possible Euro skyrocketed? How is it possible Euro continue obeying key alpha Fibonacci support? Identical events, identical price action on all instruments. Bitcoin is exactly the same, skyrocketed from alpha Fibonacci buy point, stuck in correction now. That's it. Rules are met, take a trade. Identify what's appropriate for you, your risk management, your account size. And that's the current global events, and that's S&P mini future, stuck in pain, bouncing from alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. Absolutely no long, just bounce. That's all that's present. Again, pay attention please. I project software on 1 minute charts, straight played out on different various charts. We're monitoring right now key level. Word RZ means reversal zone. This is software for ninja trade. Bounce is not powerful yet. But if I bring to your attention oil institutional chart, it's identical level where oil skyrocketed from. It's identical level that played out yesterday during oil news. And again, as I will be teaching later on today, all the details in institutional class, you knew this bullish reversal from alpha Fibonacci reversal zone months in advance. Only difference, no software on this chart, only proprietary tool. Apply institutional strategy you learn in the course and ride oil to the upside. Or trade any other derivatives, oil stocks you choose. This is oil at the start of the year, until oil comes to the brick wall, until oil sold off until this level. This is a current event on oil, all played out yesterday during major oil news. In the trading room, where you can witness the power of the system and the software in the live market. So what you will decide to trade is absolutely your personal choice, but it all starts from separating spectacular versus junky pullback. Absolutely no power, only bullish weakness is present. So for the next 2 days we are seeing institutional weakness to the upside. Free fall will be drastically bigger and will require drastically more skill to trade. So much more prepared you are now, much more prepared you will be for the next volatile events. That's it. And that's identical event on institutional chart as you are witnessing on multiple instruments. So when S&P remains stuck in correction, it's a problem for retail trader. We're seeing absolutely no power. We discuss this with my students in market prep, which is what we do Monday through Thursday before market open. So here's chart on Tesla with alpha Fibonacci system present in the trading room for years. This is catastrophic crash on Tesla from alpha Fibonacci reversal zone from 400 until 101 level. Currently Tesla bouncing from key alpha Fibonacci support that identifies weakness on the selling side. But when you short the top and you understand where to take profits off the table at critical key alpha Fibonacci levels. Lifeline on Tesla, 134, especially 85. 85 is out, Tesla heading to 10 level. And you know this months and years in advance. So 134, lifeline on Tesla, but 85 is essential key level. 134 in a play on Tesla now. But where Tesla skyrocketed from in 2020 is identical level that's playing out on S&P right now. RZ means reversal zone. All that's left to separate spectacular versus weak bullish reversal. Bounces remain extremely weak. Caution please. So when you can trade one, you can trade them all with Alpha Fibonacci software for NinjaTrader 8 to day trade future or on all platforms. You can trade Tesla, you can trade oil, you can trade Bitcoin, you can trade Amazon, you can trade Nvidia, you can trade any instrument you choose that appropriate for you, your risk management, your financial situation, your ability to focus for day trading or long-term charts. That's it. Identical rules, identical strategies apply to gold, to stocks, to forex, to crypto, as traded by traders all over the world, or to day trade futures on NinjaTrader 8 with Alpha Fibonacci software. That includes multi-market scanners and trade recognition software. You can add to the scanner as many instruments as you choose. When you're learning, I highly encourage you to focus on one. When you master one, only then you can add second instrument with a single click. So this is a play currently before major news on multiple charts. As again, no software on this chart, only proprietary levels, proprietary tool. We keep dealing with bullish weakness. Price remains stuck and chop. Been here for the last 20 minutes. Monitoring for powerful bullish reversal is key. And again, this applies to every single chart you choose to trade. News, highly bullish, 3.4 pending home sales. Price testing critical key alpha Fibonacci retail reversal zone on every chart. Only bullish weakness is present. Zero reason to pull a trigger yet. Intelligent trader understands with a single glimpse what identifies weakness versus power. Even the next 2 days, institutional crash continues. It's becoming more powerful. With a single glimpse, intelligent trader knows buyers are worthless. Price is stuck in bullish chop, failing to break through this level. Software showing you this very clearly. So this is extremely important moment to separate power from weakness. Only weakness is present. Market oversold, dancing in bullish weakness only. No spectacular reversal, only bullish chop on every single chart. So I am converting this chart to 1 minute, so we're monitoring extremely important moment for retail traders. As again, price been stuck in this bullish correction for the last hour. Absolutely no bullish power in the next 2 days means institutional sell-off will continue with vengeance. Historical 2 days, today and tomorrow. Critical key event. So if you're ready to trade as intelligent trader, I look forward to working with you. You will be prepared for much more extreme global events. You can always request invitation to the trading room, but please review everything on the website and understand. This is proprietary system that applies to all instruments, all time frames, all platforms, or to day trade software for NinjaTrader 8. System traded globally since 2011 by traders from 14 to 80 plus year old, by institutional traders, by financial advisors, by hedge fund managers. Fathers bringing their children, husbands bringing their wives, friends bringing their friends to the course. You can listen to students' podcasts, you can view students' reviews, you can view students' performance and emails. Listen to Ken's incredible journey. Listen to Carlton, who keeps bringing his friends to the course. Listen to Emmanuel, who brought his wife to the course. And the legend of Theo, who came to the bootcamp 2 o'clock in the morning in Australia to share his journey. So please choose a package appropriate for you. Private mentoring booked in advance. Private mentoring now booking all the way into June. This is the ultimate, most desirable package. This week I continue offering recordings of the annual trading bootcamp in each package, which is additional value of over $2,000. Group course option 2 is the most popular option, savings 5,000 plus with the bootcamp added. If you are not on NinjaTrader 8, option 1 and 3 appropriate for you. Any questions for me? Do not hesitate to contact me. Simply click on Contact Us section and call or email me 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. When S&P picking up this team, no one is surprised, correct? All precise. After all, it's identical level. That played out on Nvidia. That played out on Apple, that played out on Amazon, that played out on Euro, that played out on Bitcoin, that plays out on all instruments, all time frames, all platforms. And that's the reason system traded in US and more than 58 countries all over the world. So thank you so much everyone for spectacular week. We're taking a break and off to institutional class.